Hey guys, it's me, Maria Fontana. I wanted to hop in today and teach you this really quick masterclass about niche fine tuning. So this seems to be a huge problem for 99.9% of clients when they're bringing their business online and they want to articulate what they do, enable to attract their ideal client and enable them to market properly to the right target audience. So as Marie Forleo, which is one of my favorite mentors, always says, if you're talking to everyone, you're talking to no one. And unfortunately in the online space, a lot of online gurus have confused the shit out of many of us who are bringing our business online with, you need this big long fancy title, this big long fancy introduction that really is very vague and makes no friggin' sense. So I'm going to share with you some typical real easy tips that I share with my high-level clients, my one-on-one clients when they work together with me. And fine-tuning your niche is a process, guys. Sometimes you may be fine-tuned for a short amount of time, and then as you grow and evolve as a mentor yourself, as a coach, as a healer, you will find that you will even niche down to more of a super niche inside of your niche, which the more laser focused you are, the easier it's going to be to attract qualified leads who then you can turn into qualified prospects and ultimately qualified clients. It is a tiered system. This is the same system I have used offline for 33 years of business in many of my different practices. So hear me out. We're going to help you fine tune that niche, and this is how we're going to do it. Number one, so I asked myself, what is going to change? What is going to change in the client's life after they work with you? So you can't say to me, oh, they're going to have more joy, they're going to feel more fulfilled. That's vague. More joy, more fulfilled. A cleaning service will make me more joy and more fulfilled. A treatment at the spa will make me feel more joy and more fulfilled. Having a week vacation in Italy will make me feel more joy and more fulfilled. Having a great bottle of red wine will make me have more joy and be more fulfilled. Do you see how vague that is? So break that down even more into, okay, they're going to feel more joy, more fulfilled, but that is not the solution. The solution is, what are they going to get after working with you? Are they going to be making 6 figures in 3 months? Are they going to be able to communicate effortlessly with their partner in their marriage? Are they going to be able to speak clearly to their children without screaming? Are they going to be able to say no easier to people so they can take back their power? So it's got to be really specific. The more specific you can be, the better it is. And I understand everybody has this fear of leaving people out, but guys, trust me, if you don't laser focus who you're talking to and really have a micro niche here, in this online space, you are not gonna stand out, and standing out and being different is what's gonna set you apart. So number 2 is, I want you to think about, who do you adore working with? Because the truth of the matter is, if you're gonna pre-qualify people, you have to know who you're working with. So who do you enjoy working with? Who do you enjoy working with? Now, at one point, someone might say, I help chiropractors. Okay, what do? I've helped female chiropractors make more money, right? But how do you do that? So I help female chiropractors that are specific to a certain market, or female entrepreneurs. That's very broad. What kind of female entrepreneur? Is she an online marketing person? Is she an offline business? Is she a doctor? Is she a lawyer? Is she a boutique owner? Is she a salon owner? Is she a hairdresser? What does this female entrepreneur look like? Is she 20? Is she 50? Is she 60? Is she divorced? Is she married? Is she in a relationship with someone that doesn't support her? So all these factors have to come into play when you're fine-tuning your niche. The simpler you keep it, the more effective it's going to be. And in what you're telling people is really important that your niche holds the end result. One of my marketing friends, they basically say easy ad strategies to book 5 clients on LinkedIn. It's very clear. You know, 3, I help, let me just think of someone else that I just work with. I help clients who are stuck at 6 figures, scale to 7 figures in less than 12 months by helping them incorporate new systems. So it's very specific. You have to know exactly who you're talking to. And guys, I want you to remember something. The clients are not particularly concerned with the path you're taking. They're concerned with the end result. So, you know, a perfect example is I have a client of mine who's a business coach and mentor. She uses hypnosis in her practice, but that's not on the forefront of what she's selling people. On the forefront of what she's selling people is she helps them shift. She's a business coach who specifically helps male executives stuck in a position shift their mindset so they can up level and get a new job. I mean, it's very specific. The more specific you can be, the better it is for niching and marketing later on, guys, because if it's too broad, once you pre-qualify people, and that's another video I'm going to teach you how to pre-qualify your clients once you have a perfected niche. And once again, just because you have your niche now doesn't mean in 6, 8 months as your business evolves that you may not need another fine-tuning again. It's just like a car. We need to tune it up and we need to change the oil. But that's the way it goes with any business, online and offline. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. I'm looking forward to connecting with you in the next module. Thank you.